listen.
I am not applying any motion. The aircraft is doing it by itself.
So you're killing everyone?
That is all. Sit down. From now on, you can't do anything to me. What? From now on, you can do nothing to me. Both engines are out. That's it. Is this what you wanted?